So by now, you probably have already noticed that English is not a phonetic language. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, but there are 44 or 45 different English sounds, depending on who you ask. Vowel sounds in particular are a challenge because there's only 5 vowel letters in English, but there are 19 different vowel sounds. This is why you need the IPA. So let's take a look. These are the 44 sounds of English. You'll notice that some of these sounds look like English letters. So that makes it easy, right? You can see the letter B for the B sound, the letter K for the K sound. But there are some different symbols here for other sounds. For example, this one represents the sh sound. We use this symbol to represent the sound because it can be written with different English letters in English words, like show, relation, passion, and chef. Notice how the IPA is divided into different sections. The top half shows all of the English vowel sounds. On this left side, you'll find all the monophthong vowel sounds. It's a complicated name for a very simple thing. These are just the pure vowel sounds. Let's go through them. I, ship, E, sheep, book, ooh, move, egg, her, teacher. This is our relaxed, lazy schwa sound. We really need to relax our jaw. Or, door. I like to remember this one by imagining the shape of my lips, the same shape as that symbol. Or, a. And again, I like to remember the shape of my mouth with this symbol. It's big, it's open. A. Cup. On, car. So here's a quick tip. The sound with the 2 dots are long vowel sounds. E, oo, or, This right side has the diphthong sounds. They are also vowel sounds, but they are different because each individual sound is made up of a combination of sounds. Compare that monophthong sound, which is just one sound, with the diphthong sound, oi, which is 2 sounds combined to make one sound. So the oi diphthong sound is actually made up of the o and I vowel sounds. O, I, oi, oi. Let's go through all of them now. A, as in day. Oi, as in boy. I, as in like. Air.
Examples of vowel sounds. E as in see. E as in pit. R as in car. J as in judge. R as in red.